Is your toilet constantly making this filling water noise? Something's definitely wrong. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So as it appears, you see how that's spraying water? It looks like something has broken off where it's constantly wants to fill water because it don't recognize that it has enough water in here. So it appears this chain has fallen off from its attachment. See? So what I want to do is grab a hold of this chain and I'm going to reattach it to this hook. Man, that's some cold water. So I'm going to see if I can get a good angle on it. Sometimes these might need to be replaced. So I am going to open up the loop right here. See how I have it connected? Once in a while it might fall out. So just have to ensure that. Okay, I think it should be good right now. I actually have a very good solution. Just use one of these like wire that goes into like the food that wraps like bread or food. It's just very flexible wiring. You can just find some thin wires. So what I'm going to simply do is just close out, wrap around the opening, couple of loops. Okay, this might be a better way. Just wrap it a couple of times so I'm closing out the loop. Now it will not, shouldn't fall out anymore. See, no matter how I play around with it, it's enclosed by this loop. And just to test that out, let me flush it. Still attached. The flange closed, filling with water, even though it's a crazy spout, getting all over the wall. Should be angling down. But anyway, it's filling up reservoir. Let's let that finish. Alright, so that's finished. See? And now it doesn't constantly open, leaking water where it wants to constantly refill. You have that constant annoying noise where it wants to refill the reservoir. So that's how you fix a simple problem of a loose chain. Hope this video is helpful. Go ahead and click on the like button, share, and subscribe. Take care of yourselves.